Welcome to another insightful episode. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're taking a deep dive into the historic Chernobyl disaster, a catastrophic event that could have been prevented with a robust preventive maintenance program. We'll look at how maintenance played a crucial role in that event and what can be learned from it. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll understand the dire importance of maintenance systems, especially in critical establishments like nuclear plants. Did you know that thousands of lives might have been saved at Chernobyl if there had been a stronger preventive maintenance program? Today we're exploring the Chernobyl disaster, the worst historic nuclear disaster, rated at maximum severity on the international scale. On April 26, 1986, an accident at the Chernobyl 4 reactor in Ukraine resulted in 30 deaths of operators and firemen within 3 months, with multiple subsequent deaths. Hundreds of workers on site developed acute radiation syndrome, while others suffered from various medical effects. The long-term death toll across Europe due to this disaster is estimated to be in the thousands. So how could maintenance have prevented this disaster? Let's explore a couple of critical points. First, the World Nuclear Association suggests that the flawed design of the Soviet reactor played a significant role. Specifically, the design of the RBMK emergency protection system control rods triggered the power surge that initiated the accident. Second, there were errors during a routine maintenance inspection. Before a routine safety test, the reactor crew was preparing to determine how long turbines would spin and power the main circulating pumps after a loss of main power. This test had been conducted the previous year, but the turbine ran down too quickly. During the new test on voltage regulator designs, the operator attempted to disable automatic shutdown mechanisms when the reactor was in an unstable condition. This led to a dramatic power surge, causing the disaster. Now, why is maintenance so important? According to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, basic physiological needs must be met for an individual to focus on achieving higher goals like career aspirations and relationships. Maintenance is at the very foundation of this pyramid. It's not just about fixing things when they break or scheduling routine checks. Maintenance, especially in critical facilities like nuclear plants, is about ensuring safety and preventing life-threatening situations. In conclusion, while we can't change the past, we can learn from it to create a safer future. Maintenance technicians in nuclear facilities should leverage technology to ensure that health and safety protocols are meticulously followed. With strong implementation of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, within your organization, the risks of flawed structural design and maintenance errors can be significantly reduced. Let's empower our maintenance teams to prevent such disasters and protect lives with the right tools and resources. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the Chernobyl disaster and the vital role of maintenance in preventing such catastrophes. Remember, a robust preventive maintenance program is key to safety, especially in critical establishments like nuclear plants. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Let's learn from the past to create a safer future.